Hey everyone, this is Samuel Bars and I'm doing a little installation tutorial for Telegroam, an integration between Telegram and Roam that allows you to capture text, audio and photos quite easily. You can even share things from share links, for example, or photos from other apps like Twitter. And it's been pretty useful for me, so I'm gonna show all of you how to install it. It's not too hard, and yeah, let's go. One thing to note, I'm using OBS, Linux recording screen sharing software, and I mean, it's a bit new. I hope it's not too messy on the screen right here, but yeah, let me know what you think of the layout on the screen. Anyway, let's get into it. So this isn't so if I understand well, this extension has been developed on the side. It's not a big project. It wasn't too hard to do, apparently. So it's not a fully developed project, and but it works well. It works really well for me, and it's quite enjoyable. And yeah, I've been enjoying using it. One thing to note before we start, there's an issue with the Telegram API that prevents basically the plugin from downloading directly the files from Telegram. So basically we have to go through another server, a proxy server. So you can use the proxy server of the extensions creator if you trust him, which is what I do, or you can create your own proxy server by clicking here, deploying to Heroku. I think you need to have an account before. I tried to do it, it didn't work for me, so I'm just gonna use the basic URL. The basic proxy server that is already available. Alright. Yeah, so that's the explanation. When Telegram receives a photo, blah blah blah. Alright. So let's do the actual installation. The first step is to create your bot. So to do this, you have to talk to this user on Telegram. It's actually quite easy to create a bot. So the username is botfather with the caps at the beginning. I mean, you just write a new message. You click on new message. You type botfather. I think it's case sensitive. So and then you can just create a new bot. You know, send a little hello message, and you get the list of commands. You can directly click on new bot. And you have to choose a name, so I'm gonna choose Roam, test, Telegram, whatever. Oh, so that's the name, and then there's the username. Alright. Yeah. Let's choose something real quick. Telegram test bot. Okay, so this is now a new bot, a new user, and I can talk to him by clicking this link. No messages yet. Click on start, and I can say hello. So for now we haven't made the connection, it isn't saving yet, but that was the first step. Come on. Right, so the important part now is that we have the API key for the bot, and that's how we are going to retrieve the data from Telegram to Roam. So now, second step. Now that we have created the bot, so I'm just gonna save the key here. It doesn't matter that much. I'm gonna delete the bot right after the video. Now we just have to create a new page, Telegram bot, I think, or Telegram. Yeah, no, Telegram bot. and we have to copy paste this in there. So let's go on the page, copy paste this thing, and then just have to take this and put it here. So the API key, you just have to put the API key next to the right attribute here, and yeah, that's it basically. The proxy. So if you set up your own proxy server, this is where you have to put your own URL. And wait. So I think we are almost done. Now we just have to wait. Yeah. So now we just have to create a new Roam.js block like this. Look at the syntax closely. Just two weird brackets like these, and then normal brackets, and then Roam/JS. Okay, and this is just gonna activate a JS component. So now you need to create a JavaScript code block. So you can do /JavaScript, and here we go. And the next step is to go to this GitHub page, to find on the front page, to find the Telegroam.js file, and to copy it all. I'm gonna try to find an easy way to copy it. Here we go. And I'm hitting the end key here, which is bringing me to the end of the page. So copy paste the code. You can do it like this manually, it's a bit long. Anyway, just copy paste the code however you want to do it. Put it in here, the code of Telegroam.js, and once you have everything in Roam, it's a lot of wait, let me just come back up here. Then you just have to activate the block to say yes, I trust this, and it should be running. I think now there's just one last step left to make it work. Let me check it real quick. Oh no, I think we are done. Okay, so now I'm going to reload the page, and we'll see if it works. We're gonna do a test right after. Okay, let's remove this. Let's head to Telegram, and now we'll try saving something. Okay, let's take a look into Roam, and boom, here it is. The extension works. So as you can see, the new, well, the captured items go under the inbox tag. You can change this right here. Okay, you can I don't know, I created something called I used the telecatcher tag, whatever whatever fits, whatever you want to use. If you have depends on what you use the inbox for. If it's just general quick capture, whatever, you can customize the thing. It's useful, and it works with photos. I'm just gonna show you this as well. So this is an audio message. So as you can see, the audio messages are sent as well. Now, I don't know if it works yet here, but and the photos. Okay, no. This. Well, anything should work. All right. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if anything is still unclear. And I'd be happy to, if you have any issues, I'd be happy to hop on a call and walk you through it. No issue, no problem if you want help installing this. Alright, Peace out.